The suspended governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, may be charged to court over alleged economic sabotage or released by the Department of State Services, DSS. That's according to Justice Hamza Mwazu of the Federal Capital Territory High Court, Abuja, in a ruling describing the DSS as a reputable institution mandated to guarantee internal security of the country. Justice Mwazu said it must conduct its operation with strict adherence to provisions of the Constitution. Justice Mwazu stated that the suspended CBN governor cannot remain in detention without a formal charge. He, however, adds that he will not grant all the relief sought by the applicant. The judge also described the DSS as a reputable security agency that has the power to investigate and get to the bottom of every matter that amounts to threat of security. The judge, however, adds that it must be done within the ambit of the law and the Constitution. He adds that there was evidence before him to show that there was an order from an Abuja Chief Magistrate Court that permitted the security agency to detain Emefiele for a period of 14 days to enable it conclude its investigations. The court further stated that Emefiele did not establish that his arrest, detention and investigation was unlawful since it was based on a valid court order. While dismissing the preliminary objection of the Attorney General of the Federation, the court says it has the jurisdiction to hear and determine the case.
First of all, I must use this opportunity to commend the judiciary for its boldness in declaring in the long run that the continued detention is unlawful in the sense that no charge has been brought and it is wrong for an organization of that nature to keep somebody in detention and be looking for evidence with which to charge him to court. So I think the judiciary is on the right track. 7 days have been given to the DSS to either charge him to court or release him on administrative bail. We expect him to be released on administrative bail today as we speak.
Godwin Emefiele, who has been in the detention of the Department of State Service, was suspended as the governor of the Central Bank on June the 9th and arrested in the early hours of June the 10th at his Ikoyi home, Lagos State. He is accusing the DSS of violating his constitutional rights to liberty, freedom of movement, and fair hearing. Emmanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.